Hello student. Today we have to study about the property of division of integers in class 7th standard. Properties of division on integers. If a and b are two integers, then a by b is not necessarily an integer. If a by b, a and b both are two integers, but b should not be 0. So a and b is not 0. A by b, because b is 0 in those conditions, that is not defined. A by b both are integers is not necessarily an integer. Suppose that 4 by 6. 4 is integer, 6 is also integer. What is the answer of 4 by 6? 2 to 4, 2 3 6. Answer is 2 by 3. This is not integer. If any integer that can be expressed in whole number, either that is whole number 0 to infinite and all the counting negative numbers are called integers. But here there is fraction, so it is not integer. It is not necessarily, ये आवश्यक नहीं है कि वो इंटीजर हो ही. इन सेकंड इस, बट इन सम कंडीशन इट कैन बी इंटीजर, लाइक दिस 6 divided by 3 is equal to 6 by 3, 3 2 जा 6. 2 is integer, but in every condition it is not necessary that a by b is an integer. ये आवश्यक नहीं है कि if there are two integer, दो इंटीजर हो और उनका जो डिवीजन है, जो कोशेंट आएगा वो इंटीजर ही हो, ये जरूरी नहीं है. इट मे बी और नॉट. हियर यूज. सो दिस इज द प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ डिवीजन. फॉर एग्जांपल -17 and 3 are both are integer, but 17 by 3 is not an integer because 17 is not divisible by 3 completely. -25 and 6 both are integer, but -25 is not divisible by 6 completely, so it is not an integer. So for any integer, if there is an integer, कोई integer a है, a is divided by 1. If any integer is divided by 1, in those conditions the answer is itself that integer. Here a by 1 is equal to a. If we divide 17 by 1, answer will be 17. If -23 divided by 1, answer is -23. So for any integers, if we divide any integer by 1, the answer is that integer itself. यदि हम किसी इंटीजर को 1 से डिवाइड करते हैं तो इन एवरी कंडीशन आंसर जो होता है सेम वही इंटीजर होती. नेक्स्ट, इफ a is non-zero integer, if a is any integer, then a by a is equal to a. If we divide any integer by itself, in those conditions answer is 1, quotient is 1, we get answer 1. For a by 1, you can write like this: a by a बन जाएगा 1 by 1 is equal to 1. So if we divide any integer by itself, in those condition answer is 1. For example, 23 divided by 23. 23 1 जा 23. Minus 57 divided by minus 57. 57 1 जा 57. If a is non-zero integer, then 0 by 1 is 0. If you divide 0 by any integer, in those condition answer is 0. यदि हम 0 को किसी भी इंटीजर से डिवाइड करते हैं तो उस कंडीशन में आंसर 0 आएगा. 0 by 6. 0 को हमने 6 से डिवाइड किया, आंसर 0. Minus 18 divided by 0, answer 0. So if we divide 0 by any integer, in those conditions answer is 0. For example, 0 by 5 is equal to 0. B 0 by minus 70 is equal to 0. Next, if a is non-zero integer, then a by 0 is not defined or not meaningful. If we divide any integer by 0, that is not defined, that is not meaningful. Like 5 by 0. If you see 5 by 0, you can write not meaningful, not defined. किसी नंबर को 0 से डिवाइड करते हैं तो उस कंडीशन में आंसर जो है आपका मीनिंगफुल नहीं है, वो डिफाइंड नहीं है. जैसे 5 फॉर एग्जांपल 16 डिवाइडेड बाय 0 इज नॉट मीनिंगफुल. b -14 डिवाइडेड बाय 0 इज नॉट मीनिंगफुल. दीस आर द प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ division or integer. We have to study some other property of division. If a and b are two integers, then a divided by b is not equal to b by a. For example, a 5 divided by 6 is not equal to 6 divided by 5. If a and b are two integers, then a by b is not equal to b by a other than 1. If a और b की वैल्यू एक न हो, एक को छोड़कर हो, then first rational number, first integer divided by second integer is not equal to second integer divided by first integer. Means it is not commutative. Means we change the order in division, then the answer will not remain same. But the value of a, the value of a and b should not be 1. If the value of A and B is not 1, in those conditions the division commutative property does not apply in division. It is not commutative. Division is not commutative. Next, 7. 7 is if A, B and C are three integers, then A divided by B divided by C does not equal to A divided by B divided by C. If A, B and C are not 1. A, B and C are three integers, then A divided by B in one group divided by C is equal to A divided by in one group B divided by C. In those conditions, both are not equal. Both sides will not be equal. So this is associative property. Means division is not associative. For example, division is not associative. Plane 8. Division is not associative. If A, B and C are three integers, then integers and A is greater than B. A is greater than B. Then first A divided by B is greater than B divided by C. In this condition, A is greater than B. A is greater than B. The value of this will be more than 1. Here B is greater than B, division of B and C. Here B is divided. Here A is greater than B. The value of B will be less than A. So in this condition, the value of this A divided by B is greater than B divided by C. If C is positive. In second condition, A divided by B will be less than B divided by C if C is negative. A and B. A is greater than B. Here C is positive. C is positive. In those conditions, this will be greater than B divided by C. And here A divided by B less than B divided by C, where C is negative, because when we divide it, A by C, here C, here should be C. Clear. if both are negative, c a divided by c and b divided by c. In this, c is negative, so a divided by c will be less than b divided by c. So these are the property of integers and the property of division on integers. So I think all of you have understood this. So watch the video and understand all the property of division on integers. Thanks for today.